Hello. A very good afternoon, class. Hi, hello everyone. So, namaste and welcome to the Oliveboard platform once again. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at Oliveboard platform. So, how are you? Today we are going to start a fresh or new journey for SSC CGL 2025, right? For the coming session. So today we are going to start the discussion of tier 1, right, of all India level mock test, right? So this is the time to discuss about the quant section solution, right? So let's begin. I hope you have attempted this test paper for the last weekend. If you have not started yet, so start it now, because it is going to be very beneficial or useful for you from the exam point of view. You can gauge your performance on weekly basis, and also you can identify the flaws or weak areas, and according to that you can prepare your strategy so that you can prepare yourself in a very well and robust manner. So let's start. So first question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer of this question and what can be the best solution or exam approach for this question. See, here the question is saying Komal gave 30% of her income to Prabha. See, let's the total income of Komal is 100, right? So she gave 30% to Prabha, right? 30% to Prabha and 20% to Uma. So out of 100, 30 and 20 already went. So now what is the remaining? Remaining is 50, and spend 40% of the remaining. So 40% of the remaining means 50 into 40%, or even directly we can calculate, right? So it is 20%. Okay, so 20%. If she gave rupees this to Prabha, then find the amount that she donated. So simply this is a question of percentage, right? So here we can apply the 100 base approach. So directly we can say that if 30% is equal to 2955, so what is the value for 1%? So 2955 divided by 30 multiply by 20, so you will get the donation value, right? So just 0 get cancelled by 3 7s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 7, 8, 5. So 2 5s are 10. So 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. Okay. So and 2 5s are 14 and 1. So we can say that sorry, 2 9s are, see this is 2 9s are, see this is 9. 2 9s are 27. This is 9. Okay. This is 9. 9 8. So simply we will get what? 0 7 carry 1. So 1970 is the right answer. Okay. So 1970 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Okay. So B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. See. So next question is, so here simply you have to put the values, right? So do you remember the values? So we know that cot 30 is what? Cot 30 is root 3 square. Okay. And tan 60 is what? Again root 3 square. And cosec 90 means 1. So 1 square. Sec 30 is what? 2 upon root 3 square, right? And cosec 30 is root 3 upon 2 square. So simply just solve it. So I will get here m into root 3 square 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 4 upon 3 plus 3 divided by 4. So just solve it. So here I will get 2m divided by 4 is equal to, so take the LCM. LCM is what? 12. So 12 4s are 48 minus 3 4s are 12, so 16, then plus 9. Okay. So here I will get what? So 16 minus 16 plus 9, so minus 7. So 41 divided by 12. Okay. So simply we can say that by 2 it is 2 time. Okay. Yes. And by 2 it is 6 time. So simply we can say that m is equal to what? 41 divided by 6, right? So we have to find the value of m, right? Say 6 6 are So 6 point and 6 7 ja. So it's very close to 7, right? So very close to 7, that is 6.83, right? So 6.83 is the right answer. That's all. A part is the right answer. Yes, A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 3. So tell me what is the answer for this question. Very easy question. Yes, please. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, here the question is saying, if A is equal to 120 into 18 minus 120 into 80 divided by 40 into 15, then find 4 to the power A. See, we can write 80 as 8 into 10, right? So it will become 120. So let's take common 120. So 120 bracket 18 minus 10, right? Divided by 40 into 15, right? So by 40 it is cancelled 3 times. So here 8 is left. Okay, by 3 it is yes. So simply we will get what? By 40 it is 3 times, by 3 it is 5 times. Okay, once. See, 120 into 80 plus minus 12 into 8 into 10, right? So simply yes, 120, take 120 Kevin, so 18 minus 8, okay? So divided by 40 into 15, right? See, by 40 it is 3 times, so 18 minus 8, so here is 10, okay? So by 3 it is 5 times, by 5 it is 2 times. So simply we can say that A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, right? See, A is equal to 2, so we have to calculate the value for 4 to the power A. 4 to the power A means 4 to the power 2. So 16 is the right answer. 16 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. See, in a 200-meter race, Thakur gave Geeta a head start of 10 seconds. See, Thakur gave Geeta a head start of 10 seconds, right? It means Geeta is running first, then after start of Geeta, after 10 seconds, Thakur is going to start. But he is reaching the final destination 40 seconds before the Geeta. It means in finally or in total, whatever the time taken by Geeta, suppose Geeta is completing the race in t second. So in that case, the Thakur will complete the race t minus 50 seconds. Simply, this is the meaning, right? See, Thakur is starting 10 seconds after and finishing 40 seconds before the Geeta. Okay, so the time gap between Thakur and Geeta is 50 seconds, right? So simply Geeta is taking t unit of time or t second. So Thakur is going to take what? T minus 50 seconds. Simple, right? See, we know that both are running same race, right? So distance is same. So when the distance is same, so we can say that the ratio of speed. See, so the speed is inversely proportional to time. So in that case, ratio of speed is what? 2:1. So the ratio of time would become 1:2, right? So this is the Thakur time and this is Geeta time. So the difference is what? 1. 1 is equal to what? 50 seconds. It means that Thakur is taking 50 seconds to complete the race and Geeta is taking 50 into 10, 100 seconds, right? So now the ratio of the Thakur, see, how long will Geeta take to cover the 200-meter race? So simply we can say that time is what? Time is distance. Distance is 2000 divided by speed. What is the speed? So see, 1200 meter is covered in 100 seconds by the Geeta. So speed is what? Distance divided by time. So simply we can say that 1200 divided by 100, right? 0 0 get cancelled. By 2 it is 1000 time and by 2 it is 6 times. So time is equal to what? 1000 divided by 6. 1000 divided by 6. So I will get what? 166.66 second, right? So C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. See, so let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. See, here the question is saying find the range of third side if two sides of the triangle. See, whenever we are given two sides of the triangle, right, and we have to find the third side. We have to find the third side. See, we know that the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side, and the difference of any two sides must be less than the third side. So we can say that the minimum range of this and maximum range is given by the difference in sum. So 23 minus 14, okay, must be less than x, okay, and x must be less than 14 plus 23, right? So this is the range. So we can say that simply 9 must be less than x and x must be less than what? 37. So value for x must be between 9 and 37. 9 and 37. So between 9 and 37 is the right answer. A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear to you all. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Yes, please. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. See, triangle PQR, the angle bisector of angle Q. See, angle bisector theorem. So we have a triangle. So triangle, this is the triangle PQR, right? Triangle PQR. Angle Q and angle R meet at O. The angle bisector, see, the angle bisector means a line which divides the angle in two equal parts, right? So we are drawing the angle bisector. Yes. So simply we can say that angle bisector of Q and R is O, right? And angle P is 90. So angle constituted at the angle bisector meeting point, right? So this angle must be equal to 90 plus half of opposite, So we know this, right, according to the angle bisector theorem. So simply we can say that 90 plus half of 80, that is 40. So 130 degree is the right answer. 130 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Bina Jain, you can contact to the support team, right, so that you will get the right answer. Okay. Yes. So write to the support team. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 7. See, here the question is saying this question belongs to partnership, right? So we must know that the profit sharing ratio must be equal to ratio of time into ratio of capital, right? Profit sharing ratio must be equal to ratio of time into ratio of capital. So simply we can say that profit sharing ratio is equal to, so we always multiply the respective units, right? So 18 into 3, right? 18 into 3, that is 15 into 1, that is 14 into 4, right? So directly we can say that here I will get 54, 15 and 56, right? So nothing is common. So 54, 15 and 56. So C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Very easy. So let's move to the next question. So next question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please try this question. See, here the question is saying 16m square minus 9n square. See, this belongs to algebra part, right? So we must know that we can write it 4m square minus 3n square, right? So a square, b square, x square minus y square. So we know the formula. So we can write it 4m minus 3n and 4m plus 3n clearly. So 5, 5, 9. See, the value for 4m minus 3n is equal to 30. So we can say that the value for 4m plus 3n I will get 559 just divide by 13. Okay, so 13 4 ja 52 and 13 3 ja. So the value for this is what? 53, right? So just put here. So 53 minus 12, I will get what? I will get 3 in 3 minus 2 1 and 4 minus 1 3. So 31 is the right answer. Okay, so C part is the right answer. 31 is the right answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question, question number 9. Yes, please. See, this question belongs to average section, right? Anurag calculated mean of a set of 20 observations, that is 12. He later on found that he read two numbers 8 and 17 wrongly as 18 and 27. So there is a direct formula for this. The correct average is equal to wrong average plus sum of right minus sum of wrong values, right, divided by total number of observations. Simple. So wrong average is what? 12. So there are 20 observations, divide by 20. So he found that he read two number this wrongly as 18 and 27. So right value is what? 8 plus 17, right? So wrong value is what? 18 plus 27. See, sum of this is equal to 25. Here sum is 45. So difference is what? Minus 20. So 12 plus minus 20 divided by 20. So 12 minus 1. So right or correct average is 11. So this is how we can calculate. So D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So if we remember the formula, so we can simply calculate it, right? So let's move to the next question. Yes, please. Question number 10. So this belongs to some DI section, right? See, given table shows the number of runs scored by 3 batsmen. Okay, find which 2 batsmen scored same run in all the 4 matches together, right? So what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the sum. So just add up all, right? See, 2, 8, 10, 10 and 10, 20 carry 2, right? 6, so this will be 160. So 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 9. 5 and 9, 14 carry 1. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 2, 7, 1. Okay. Here is what? 10, 10, 20 carry 2. Okay. So 11, 11 and 8, 19, 19 and 3. So 220, right? So it means all are different, right? So all the scores are different. So nothing is, so no one is same. So none of 2 scores are same, right? So none of 2 scores are same. So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. None of them are. Yes, yes. A part is the right answer. Okay. So I think this thing is very, very clear. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 11. See. So here simply we need to put the value. What is the value of sec 30? Do you remember? So 2 upon root 3. And what is the value for cosec 60? Same, 2 upon root 3. So simply we can say that 4 divided by 3. So 4 by 3 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Very simple question, right? Question number 12. See, P is 20% and 25% more efficient than Q and R respectively. See, P is 20%. So we can say that if 20% means 1 upon 5. So in comparison to Q. So if Q is doing 5 units of the work, so P will do 6 units of the work. Yes. And 25% means 1 upon 4. So R is doing 4 units of the work. So P will do 5. So see, whenever we have to merge the 2 ratio, right? So their common part must be, common term must be same, right? So make it equal. So here just multiply by 5. Here must multiply 6. Okay. Into 5 into 6. So we can say that the efficiency of P is 30. Efficiency of Q is what? 25. And efficiency of R is 24. So simply we can say that this is the ratio of efficiency. Efficiency means 1 day work, right? Next is Q can do 3/4 of the part is job in 14.4 days. So we can say that Q will complete the job, right? Complete the work. So 14.4 divided by 3 by 5. So 3 into 5, right? So just remove the point. So we can say that by 5 it is 2 times. So divide by 6, right? So 6 2s are 12 and 6 4s are 24. So Q will complete the task in 24. See, Q is doing in a day 25 unit of the work and he is going to complete the task in 20. So we can say that the total work is what? According to 25 into 24. So here I will get what? 600. Okay. Yes. So now the condition is P starts work and on every second day R join. So here is alternate day concept. So first day P is doing, second day P plus Q. So P is doing 30 unit of the work and P plus R. So 30 plus 24 means 54. So we can say that in 2 days they will complete 84 unit of the work, right? So they have to do 600 of the work. So just see how many time of 840 is closer to the 600, right? So we can say that say 7 time, right? Let's talk 7 time. So 7 4 ja 28 carry 2. 7 8 ja 56 and 2. So 588, right? So we can say that 588 work doing by this pattern will be completed in almost, or we can say in 14 days, right? So how much is the remaining work? So remaining work is 588 subtract so 12, right? So this work would be done by the P, right? See, P is starting. So P can complete. So 14 days plus P can complete 30 unit of the work in a day, but he has to do 12 work. Okay, so 12 divided by 30. So I can say that 14.4 days is the right answer. Okay, so 14.4 days is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Very good question, right? Very good question and alternate way day-based question, right? So let's move to the next question. Question number 13. See, a shoe manufacturing company decided to wrap up their business and sell all the shoe left at a loss of 30%. If at a loss of 30% something is sold, it means that is sold at the 70% of the cost price, right? And here the cost price is 660. So simply we can say that 660 into 70. So this is the cost price. So what will be the total cost for 45? So just multiply by 45. Very simple. 0, see 0 0 get cancelled. By 5 this is 9 time, by 5 this is 2 time. And by 2 this is 330. So just multiply 7 into 330, 0, 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 7 3 ja 21 and 2 23. Okay, so simply we can say that 2310 into 9. So 0 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, carry 2, 9 2 ja 18, and so 20,790 is very simple, right? So nothing is tough, right? So very easy question. So in single line we can do this. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 14. See, so divisibility rule of 11, sorry, divisibility rule of 8. Then find the remainder. See, the 7-digit number. So the divisibility rule of 8 says that if the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the number would be divisible by 8 simply. So just focus on the last 3 digit. So 8, just divide 5 7 8, right? So we can say that 8 7 ja 56, right? So just pull down 8. So here 8 8 2 ja 16. So remainder is 2. So what will be the remainder? 2. 2 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Very easy. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Question number 15. See, so 2 towers facing each other are built few meters apart. Tower 1 has 32 floor. Okay, so there are one tower which is having 32 floor, another 20, right? So this is the case. Okay, so 21 floor and here is 32 floor. No problem. Each floor in the both the tower have height of 3 meter, right? So 3 meter. See, it is clear each floor in the both the tower have height of 3. So one floor, see, one floor height is 3 meter. So simply we can say that here the total height is what? 21 into 3. Here is 32 into 3. Simple. If angle of elevation made by the top of the second top of one is, so simply we can say that the angle from this top to this top is what? 30 degree, right? So this is the case. So simply we can say that this here is 21 into 3, right? So subtract this from this. Okay, so we'll get what? 3 is common. See, here 3 is common. So 3 is common. 32 minus 21. So it is 11. So we can say that the height from here to here is 33. Simple. So then find the separation between the two tower. Okay, separation between the two towers. So we need to calculate the difference of this. Suppose the separation, see, the difference is x, right? So here we can apply the tan 30, right? So simply we can say that tan 30 is what? 1 is to root 3. So simple we can say that 33 upon x is equal to 1 upon root 3. So x is equal to what? 33 root 3. So the value of root 3 is 1.7. So 33 into 1.7. So simply we will get what? 56.10 meter, right? Or we can check by multiple of 1.7, right? See, here we can check the multiple of 1.7. So this is not the multiple of 17. This is the multiple of 17. This is not the multiple of 70. This is not the multiple of 70. Okay. So we can also check by multiple approach also. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16. Yes, please. See, an article is marked at 30% above the cost price and sold at a discount of 10%. See, if the cost price of an article is 100, so its MRP would be what? So marked up 30% above. So MRP is 130. Now it is sold at 10% discount. So minus 10%. That is 13. So 117 is the selling price. So what would be the profit? Profit is 17. So 17 profit or 100. So that is 17%. So D daredevil is the right answer. Yes. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes. 17% is the right answer. Very easy. Let's move to the next question. See, what is the ratio between the first 5 prime number and the sum of the first 4 natural numbers which is divisible by 3, right? See, first 5 prime number, so 2, then 3, 5, 7 and 11, right? And 4 natural number multiple of 3, just take the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So simply we can say that, see, so 15, 15 and 15, 30, okay? So here is what? See, 5, 5, 10, 10 and 7, 17, 17 and 1, 18 and 10, 28, right? So simply we can say that 14 is to 15. So 14 is to 15 is the right answer, yes? So 14 is to 15, B part is the right answer, B Bombay is the right answer, okay? So let's move to the next question, question number 18. So tell me, so very good question, right? So see how we can solve this. Do you know when we have to solve a ladder type question, right? So be careful. See, when we will solve this, so this will become what? So 3 minus 2, so 1 upon 3, okay? So 1 upon 3, fraction is divided by fraction. So the denominator fraction will be reciprocated. So I will get what? 1 upon 1 plus 2 upon 3, see 2 by 3 upon 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus, so 8 upon 9 into 3 by 1, right? So by 3 it is 3 times. So 8 by 3, 2 by 3. So just divide by 3 and multiply by 3. So denominator is 3. So we can say that 8 and 2 and 3, 13. So 13 by 3. So I will get 13 by 3, right? So 13 by 3. So by 3, 3 cancel, 2 by 13, right? So simply we can say that 1 upon 2 by 13 plus 1. So 13 plus 2 divided by 13. 13 will go to the numerator part. So 13 divided by 15 is the final answer. Okay. So 13 by 15 is the final answer. 13 by 15 is the final answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Question number 19. See, here the question is saying, the height and diameter of a solid metallic right circular cylinder, height is 30 and this is the dia, okay, cylinder. So cylinder is a figure like this, okay, yes. So its radius is what? 14. After cutting out the largest possible sphere from this circle, so the remaining material is recast to form solid. So simply we can say that the volume of remaining, see, volume of remaining is equal to volume of cone, simple, and the radius of the cone is this, right? So what is the volume of remaining? So volume of, see, remaining is what? Volume of cylinder minus volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone, right? Volume of cone. Simply, volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Pi r square h. H1. I should say h1. So, and volume of sphere 4 upon 3 into r cube, okay, is equal to what? 1 upon 3 into pi r square. R square means 7 into 7 into h2, okay. See h1. So we can say that 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So pi is common, right? So pi is cancelled. Actually pi is common in all, right? Pi is common in all. So just cancel pi is cancelled, okay. So r square. So here r square is what? See 14 in both because maximum sphere. So we can say that r square, here r is same, right? So r square is common. So 14 into 14 bracket h1 is what? 30 minus 4 upon 3 into 14 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 7 into 7 into h2. By 7, these 14 are cancelled, 2 into 2, okay. So simply we can say that 4 into, let's take LCM, 3. So 90 minus 14 for the 56 is equal to 1 upon 3 into h2, right? Simple. So by 3 get cancelled, okay. So 4 into is what? 34 is equal to h2. 4 for the 16, carry 1, 12. So 136 h2. So simple, there is a use of formula, right? If you know the formula and you know that whatever is the remaining, so the volume of the formation of the new cone would be equal to the remaining part, right? So this is the only funda. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 20. See, below bar graph shows the income and expenditure of 5 people of a family. Okay. So the saving of which of the following person is lowest? Lowest saving. So lowest saving means difference must be less, right? So here difference is what? Here is difference 120, right? So here difference is what? See, expenditure, the saving of which of the following person is lowest? So income minus expenditure, okay, income minus expenditure. So here is what? 120, here 130, okay. So here is 0 to 220 more 160, and here E. So for E we can check. See, just remember 120, 130, 120. For E we have to check. So E is also more. I think A is having the minimum, okay. So A is the minimum. See, A is the minimum, okay. A is the minimum. So B part is the right answer. Yes, A is the minimum. So very simple, right? Question number 21. See, the center of a circle is O. Okay, this is the center of the circle, and ABCD on a circle such that BCD is equal to 32 and BAC x degree, and find the value BOC. See BOC, so means BO, so these are the point of chord and O is the center, right? So this is the situation. So the remaining are, let's say, and BDC is 32. So I take D is here, okay? So BDC. So this is the circumference angle, right? So we can say that the angle subtended at the center is always double of the angle made by the same chord at the circumference, right? So it must be 64 degree, right? Yes or no? And BAC. So question is just asking about BOC. So need not to calculate x, right? So 64 degree is the right answer. If we need to calculate x, so BAC, right? So BAC. So simply we can say that this would be equal to 32. Okay, simple. Let's move to the next question. Question number 22. See, table show the price of 50 shirt. Okay, so less than 150, less than 200, less than 2. The ratio of the number of shirts with the price less than 250. Okay, see, less than 2, less than 250. So less than 250 means 30. Okay, is 2. Number shirt with price is rupees 30. Oh sorry, 300 or more. 300 or more means this down the line. So less than 400 is 50 and less than 300 is, so we have to take the difference of this. Okay, so here the difference is 10, right? So the ratio would be 3:1. So 3:1 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. See, Anuj lent rupees 2400 is to Ram and Anil. So the principal value is same, right? Given amount same. The difference between the simple interest received from the Ram and Anil after 4 years. Time is also same. So is rupees this. Then find the difference between the interest rate. So simply we can say that R1 minus R2% is always given. So what is the difference? So we can say that the total difference is 28.8 for 4 years. So what is the difference for 1 year? So divide by 4. So 4 7s are 28. So 7.2. See, 7.2 is earned in a year on rupees 2400, right? So just calculate the difference. 0 0 get cancelled by point, divide by 10. Okay, so this is 3 times. So I will get what? 0.3%. So 0.3% is the right answer. Okay, so C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 24. See, in 2 jars there is a mixture of mango pickle and lemon pickle. Okay, mango pickle and lemon pickle. The ratio of mango pickle and lemon pickle in these jar is 5:7 and 7:8. See, 5:7. We have 2 jars, 5:7 and 7:8. Okay, so we can focus on particular one ingredient, right? Now the question is saying, in what ratio should these mixture so that the ratio of mango pickle and lemon pickle in the new jar become 4:5. So simply if I say that we focus on the mango, right? So mango and mango. So in the first, mango is what portion? So 5 divided by total, that is 12. In the second jar, mango is concentration 7 divided by 15. And in the mixture, see, in the mixture, final mixture or new mixture, the concentration of mango is 4/9. So what we do, we take the LCM of denominator value, right? So 12, 15, 9, LCM is 180. So just multiply by 180. So this is the simplest way to do this. Okay, so by 12 it is 15 times, 15 into 5, 75, right? So by 15 it is 12. So 12 into 7, 84, right? by 9 it is 20, so I will get 80. So take the difference, difference is 5. Okay, so here the difference is 4. So 4:5 is the right answer. So we need to mix the both jar mixture in the ratio of 4:5, so that in the final mixture I will get the ratio of mango to lemon pickle 4:5, right? Yes. So let's move to the next question. Question number 25, right? See, here we can use the value putting approach, right? Value putting approach. So here, if x is equal to 6, so the equation is satisfied. X plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, right? Satisfied. So just put here. So 6 to the power 4 plus 3 to 4, 6 to the power 3, right? So here I will get what? So 6 to the power 4 means 6 square, 36. 36 square means what? So I will get 1296, right? Plus 3 to 4 divided by 3, 6 into 6 into 6, so 256. Okay, so 1296 plus 1.5, so the answer is 1297.5. okay, so the answer is 1297.5. yes, is this clear? So I hope this is clear to you all, guys. See, so there are many students who are preparing for the exam from the very scratch, right? They are standing at the start. Okay, so they are starting their journey. So after seeing all these solutions, so don't get confused, right? Don't get in dilemma because you are not getting some approaches. Because see, I'm just telling you how you can solve the complete paper, right? So here we are discussing exam approach, right? If you need to prepare in a systematic manner, right? So you must enroll to a course, right? So that you will get the systematic guidance. In a systematic manner, you will cover the each and every topic in a systematic manner, right? So you will get the organized advice, you will get the proper strategy, you will get the each and everything, whether it is concept, whether it is short trick, whether it is logical approach, whether it is exam approach. And after taking such classes, right, or after taking such advice, you will be able to identify the question, whether the question is easy level, moderate level or tough level, so that you can make your strategy, you can plan accordingly there. Okay, so this is just for your practice, right? So just keep on practicing, take mock tests on daily basis, right? For the classes, I'm just suggesting you, this is my personal advice, go to the Oliveboard website, right? Just go to the Oliveboard website. So after reaching to the Oliveboard website, you will get this interface, right? So presently 2x validity plus 40% off on the occasion of Republic Day. We have celebrated 2 days back, right? Or day before yesterday. Just click on the courses section. So you will get this interface. So just very first row, very first picture, SSC Superelite, right? So after clicking this, you will get this, right? So this is the SSC Superelite English Medium course, right? So after you enroll this course, you will be eligible to get each and everything, right? Whether it is content, whether it is mock test, whether it is sectional test, whether it is particular advice, you will also get the notification for the forms, right? What is the start date, what is the last date, right? You will get each and everything, and you will have access to each and everything. That is 2000 plus session. This is not small, right? And 750 mock tests, right? So, and all are designed or all are based on the latest pattern, right? And practice and doubt clearing session, that is very important feature. So 300 plus concept video, GK and subject and learning video, right? And this is all available exclusively in English medium, right? So each and everything in English, whether it is content, whether it is delivery, classes is also available in English, right? So if you talk about the cost or price of this product, right? See, so there are two options for you, SSC Superelite, SSC plus Railway. So my personal advice is just go for combo, right? Because if you are preparing for one day exam, so go for both exam, right? Anyhow, you have to take the job, right? You have to secure your job. So if you will go for the combo, so just apply the code, right? So code is RDay, right? So after applying the code, see, just wait. See, apply. So currently it is not working. Okay, so you will try, so it will be working. Okay, so this is the process how you can access to the courses. So this is my personal suggestion. Instead of going for a particular course, right, like foundation course, so it's better to buy or purchase a super elite. In this you will get each and everything, right? Whether there are special courses, whether they are crash courses, whether they are foundation courses, each and everything, and the coming batches in next 2 year, you will have access for each one, right? So this is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much. So stay tuned with us. If you haven't like and subscribe the channel, so please like and subscribe the channel now. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.